Well, I think I screwed up. I got my RC car stuck, and you guys might think it's easy to get it out, but you sink very fast there. My car is sinking down. All these footsteps are mine, and I don't know how I'm gonna get the car out. I'll try to balance myself on top of there, grab that stick, and try to pull it with it, but it broke on the end. Hopefully I don't sink down because it feels like quicksand. Not even all that. I tried over there, I sink fast there. I sink quickly here. It's a little bit loose over there. If I could find a bigger branch or a log, I could actually put it across the small river and balance myself and get the RC car out. So stay tuned. I need like a longer stick. Something not too heavy. Like it's very flimsy. There's one over there. Ooh, that one looks long. It doesn't look heavy. Let's cross through here. Hopefully there's no snakes. And hopefully I don't sink. Those might work. Everything just for an RC car. I bet you guys are saying that's just an RC car. No, I'm not leaving $600 RC car there. It's stuck on the end. Okay, let's see if I can carry it with one hand. On my shoulder. It is breaking. Well, it broke in 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. We got that one over there. Can I take this stick? Oh, this one feels good. I'm taking this one. Okay, and this is my controller. Let's go home.